We will inform you our own manufacturing conveyor rollers, bearing housings, automation welding machine called Maharet. Our welding machine can make butt welding up to 1040 pieces diameters and 50 mm to 200 mm diameters. Minimum 150 mm to 1040 mm pipe length. Maharet welding machine manufactured by Akkayalar Conveyor and it has automation system loading, welding and unloading the pipes. We manufactured Maharet welding machine to use it at production of conveyor systems, but we will also sell this machine nearest future to the market to our customers.